Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to make
green season on my own little spin on my own green season for Trinidad and Oopsies. And this is what we have.
We have green scallion. You want to clean the little tip off the bottom.
Yes, and you can use one bunch of green
scallion,
or better known as green onion.
But if you're Jamaican, that's scallion.
It's not scallion, it's green
onion.
So then you cut them thickly inside the bunch.
Alright. Like this. Just cut them in two because they're going to go in the Vitamix.
And then we're going to have, one onion.
Show you guys again. Make sure you always cut the tip off. You don't want these when you're cooking in general.
There you go.
And just cut them in half. Ooh. And then we're going to the onions.
So we're going to cube them in four. But since we have that, we cut it in four. Alright, and we put it in our Vitamix.
Alright, so there's one onion. What is it, a big onion, small onion, medium size? Medium size?
You could use a small onion, and then because I'm putting shallots in mine as well.
How are we cutting up a shallot?
The same way.
Okay.
Alright, and we throw it in the Vitamix. And the green season consists of onion, garlic, cilantro, and culantro, parsley.
Alright, with the garlic, do we cut the garlic or put them in a whole?
You put in the whole garlic.
Okay, how much garlic are we using?
How much is there?
7, 8. And the the lime, you cut it in half and squeeze it in?
Yes, but don't you do that after.
Okay. Sorry. Alright, now
we have show them the cilantro. The culantro.
This one?
No, that's regular cilantro.
This one?
Yes. No, that's cilantro.
So it'd be this one?
Yes. The leaves on it.
The leaves are flat on the, what do you call it again?
Culantro.
Culantro. Never heard of that before.
Really?
Yeah.
No, you just put that bunch in there. You could just put it in all the way.
How much pieces?
It's a bunch.
Okay, just use the whole bunch. Whole bunch, okay?
Make sure you pick out all of them. Put there.
Okay.
And then we put parsley and cilantro.
Parsley. Okay, so which one is the parsley? This one?
That's cilantro.
This one. Okay, so this is the parsley.
Yes.
Parsley is very powerful.
Cut that in half. Put it on the board and cut it down. And then we have some thyme.
How much thyme are we using?
A bunch, and just throw it in there.
A bunch of thyme.
And that's
this
the
one,
cilantro.
cut it in half as well?
Yes. And then we just put it in the Vitamix. And then we have to cut up the peppers.
It's 9 garlic. I just found another one hidden.
What?
The garlic was trying to hide.
The garlic?
Yeah, I was trying to hide on it. I caught them.
Oh, it's 9 garlics.
Yeah.
So now we got the seeds. They usually use pimento peppers, but we're going to use sweet peppers. Well, no, that's a
Scotch brown. We're going to leave that. Okay, so how are we cutting these?
So cut it open, and because we have to take out the seed. We have to take out the seeds. Okay, so start from the top. We'll go down here.
Split them down a minute. Take the seeds out, which they don't really have. They're like 2 or 3 seeds.
And take out the top, the green part.
They don't have a lot of seeds, which is good. Okay, and cut it in half.
No, just split it down in the middle. Cut it just one. Boom. There you go. Ooh. And then there we go.
Same process. Take the seeds out.
And when you do, take off the head. Down the middle. There you go.
Same process.
So cut the head first. Down. Take out the seeds.
You said these are not hot?
Those are sweet peppers. What is...
I guess I'm just sensitive to pepper. Because these things...
They're sweet, they're hot to you?
They feel like heat.
Oh, no.
And I'm Jamaican, but not all Jamaican like hot food. These peppers are kicking.
No, I think you probably touched the Scotch bonnet.
Oh, yeah. That was right. Yeah, they touched the Scotch bonnet. Because,
but when you do the Scotch bonnet, you need to take out the seeds as well and cut that up, mince that up.
When you touch the Scotch bonnet, please put gloves on.
As
please,
you can see, he has on gloves.
After you finish, wash your hand immediately. Do not touch your face.
You still have a sweet pepper over there.
Do not touch your face. You touch your face if they touch the Scotch Pepper.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Cut the head of the Scotch bonnet.
Ooh, mama.
No,
Jesus.
cut that some more, please.
Cut some more off.
Cut in the middle.
Ooh, I don't want to be touching this.
And I'll take out the seeds.
Ooh. You could literally
Take out the seeds with your hand.
I don't want my hand touching this. You can literally feel getting punched in the face.
Take out the seeds, all the seeds.
I heard if you took the seed out, it's not as hot. I don't believe that. My opinion.
Don't throw that in there. You need to mince that up some more. But do the other one first. Do the other one first. Take out the seeds. Oh yeah. You smell it?
Yes. It's
Okay.
It's alive. Ooh, it's alive.
Okay. Now mix it up as fine as you can, all the way down. Okay. We don't really like a lot of spicy in our house, so that's why I took out the smallest piece that I could get. Mince it up, so at least we have that one little piece in there. It's not too hot because we have a bunch of sweet pepper to balance it out.
It won't be overpowering.
That's why we put it like that. Okay. So
Like
then
I
we
said,
have 1 cup of olive oil.
1 cup of olive oil.
And then we're going to put it over the Vitamix.
The oil. I like
Just
the oil.
throw it in.
Throw it in, but you know, I like to fancy it up.
No, that's a little too dramatic right now.
Hey, dramatics.
I think you need to put 1 more cup in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because it looks like it's not.
Yeah, you need a little bit
That's
more.
how you throw it in there.
That's you gotta.
Put it on.
Gonna add 1 more cup of the oil.
Olive oil.
But me personally, I'd prefer avocado oil, but it's not mine. So follow the recipe.
Now just put it in all the way down.
Follow the recipe.
Okay. So we're gonna put it on our Vitamix on 1, and then
What about put the lemon after?
Yeah, we're gonna dress the lime. Yeah, put the one. No, you can put the lime in there.
Okay.
Cut it and take this sticker off. Did you juice it?
Yeah, I juiced it. But to juice your lime, just want to rub it across the board. Like, yeah, just rub it across the board.
And the lime is so it doesn't turn.
Okay, so when you put it in the fridge.
Lime. All right.
Gonna do the other one. And this is for fish,
meat, stew, tofu. People put in their eggs. You put it on your pork. You put it on vegetable. You grill your chicken.
So it's like an all-purpose seasoning, pretty much.
You put this in before you put in your food. So then we're gonna cover it and then start to blend it. As you see here, we're gonna move our Vitamix over.
Vitamix.
Let's go, let's go. Move the box over.
Over the Vitamix. Yeah. The hot pepper burn up your nose, bro.
Alright, so there we go. That's okay. Alright.
Here we go. So it looks when it's blending.
Thing to mix it in.
All right, now we're just pushing it down because you don't want to mix it too much because then it's gonna.
How the Vitamix is and mix it up.
Yeah, by the way, it's very powerful, so you want to be careful on how you mix it.
So we do it on low on the Vitamix because I still want to have that thick consistency. So it's blending. Hold on. Get it? It's coming along. It's trying to get out. There we go. It's coming along. Alright. So I'm gonna stop it now to see how it looks inside.
Alright, here you go, guys. We finished. We're gonna go ahead and pour you guys. Let's see how it looks.
So this is the Epps, our green season that we came up with.
Smells really good. Looks like you can't eat it by itself.
No, you can't. It's a base.
It looks good. I'm saying it looks like it's edible by itself.
It does smell really good.
Yes.
And then you put this on your meat, on your turkey. So this will be our little base that we will use now going forward with our dishes coming forward to you. And we're going to have a fish dish that we'll be going to use in this here to see how everything turned out. And thank you for watching.
Bye.